On the 2nd of August 1995, behind a plain suburban apartment complex in El Monte, California, a crumpled anonymous letter tipped off authorities, leading to a shocking discovery. 72 Thai garment workers were enslaved behind barbed wire fences. Locked inside, hidden from neighbors, they were forced to sew for major U.S. brands. Forced to work 18-hour days, earning as little as $1.60 an hour under armed guards. No freedom, no pay, no passports. Their access to the outside world denied. Recruited under false promises, they were smuggled from Thailand, trapped by a $5,000 debt. Letters to their families were routinely intercepted by supervisors, cutting off vital communication and deepening the workers' isolation. With access only to a limited range of overpriced essentials at the company's store, their lives were tightly controlled. In many ways, it resembled a prison.
ฉันต้องไปอเมริกา ฉันจะไปทำงานที่ฉันอยากทำแต่พอไปถึงแล้วฉันไม่ได้ออกไปไหนเลยฉันถูกกักขังและได้ทำงานอย่างเดียวโดยที่ไม่เคยได้ออกไปข้างนอกเลย
Julie Su was just 26, a first-year lawyer at Asian Pacific American Legal Center, led by civil rights leader Stewart Kwoh at the time. Together, Stewart and Julie launched a fight that would reshape labor justice in America.
So this was modern-day slavery, workers being held against their will, behind barbed wire and under armed guard, forced to work 18 hours or so a day and not being paid for their labor.
This El Monte case was more than just one case. It was more than one factory. It represented the fight for dignity and justice for workers of all backgrounds. So this was a very important case. It was not only a national case, it turned out to be an international case. And we felt that Julie Su had the tenacity, the smarts, and the passion to fight to the end, to fight for justice for these workers.
Julie Su and a team of lawyers traced the supply chain to the top, beyond the factory owners holding powerful retailers accountable. Her strategy and perseverance changed everything. After over 4 years of hard-fought legal battles, in 1999, Julie, the legal team, and the workers won over $4 million in back wages from 11 companies that had benefited from the forced labor. The companies had joint employer responsibility due to their role in contracting production to the sweatshops.
Julie ต่อสู้เพื่อพวกเราจนดิฉันมีบ้านมีครอบครัวฉันจะพูดแทนคนอื่นๆที่ยังคงถูกปิดปากเงียบค่ะ
The case reshaped policy, marking a major milestone in holding retailers and manufacturers accountable for exploitative subcontracting practices. And it inspired a generation of immigrant women to become not just survivors, but advocates.
I do feel like we've made significant progress in holding companies accountable for exploitation, that they brought a case against not just the immediate employers who were exploiting them, but also the companies up the chain who were profiting from their labor. And it set significant precedent. It's been used hundreds, if not thousands of times.
Julie Su was appointed the acting U.S. Secretary of Labor from 2023 to 2025. They were once invisible. Now they are seen. Our clothes come with a cost. Ask who pays it.